Hey, what going on, YouTube? Today I'm gonna teach y'all how I can master y'all songs on Bandlab super easily. This the exact way I master my songs. Hey, so I ain't gonna waste no time. Let me let y'all hear how it sounds with and without the master on it. I gotta get it for sure. I know these pussy ass niggas be hoes. Yeah. Whoa, I'm gonna get it for sure. Whoa, all of my niggas on go. Whoa, I just smoked 2 in a row. Whoa, making the music and rolling no dope. I'm not a sheep, I'm a motherfucking goat. Bitch, I'm tryna give me some neck, get all in that throat. Stay down till you come up, you know how that go. You better stay down till you come up, you know how that go. Alright, so after you heard it with the mastering on, you can tell it made it sound a whole lot better and a whole lot more loud. So that's why you should master all of your tracks. It'll make it sound a whole lot more full. It can make your song loud enough to where it can compete with other songs that be on the radio. But before you master your song, you gotta make sure your mix is ready and your mix is not clipping and it's not red down here at the bottom. If your track is distorting and you see the red at the bottom, that means you're gonna be mastering a distorted mix and the song is gonna sound distorted. And you don't want that. All of my niggas on go. Whoa, I just smoked 2 in a row. Whoa, making the music and rolling no dope. Okay, so when you go to master your song, you got 4 different options. I usually go for the universal. It sounds good on every genre. It sounds good on any song. But I would suggest you to go through all 4 of them and see the vibe. But I would suggest you not to go for the bass one, because it just sounds horrible. I was just eating a phone. I was just dripping in that Margiela, got diamonds on my toe, bro. You can't be gang, nigga, that's a no. But my motherfucking go. Bitch, I'm tryna give me some neck, get all in that throat. Stay down till you come up, you know how that go. You better stay down till you come up, you know how that go. I got this shit off the ground, I got this shit off the floor, yeah. Hey man, if y'all learned something new, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like and comment. Plenty new videos coming soon and presets, so y'all tap in.